Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to set up TikTok Shop for 2023. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. First thing that you need to do is go to your Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok Seller Center. This is the application that you need to download along with the TikTok application so that you'll be able to set up your TikTok shop. Once that's fully installed and downloaded, just click on Open, and you'll be routed into this page. For you to become a seller, you need to click on Sign Up, or you can even sign up with your phone and email. Since I already have a TikTok account, I'll simply click on Sign Up with TikTok, and just click on Confirm. Here you'll see that you need to authorize your Seller Center to access your TikTok account. Just simply click on the Authorize button, and you'll be able to see here the terms as well on what are the things that Seller Center would access that you will authorize or that they will access once you authorize it. So once that is done, you will be routed into this page wherein TikTok Seller Center would ask you to verify some documents. You'll need to choose what the business is about. You need to set up the shop name. You need to choose an ID that you need to upload and submit. You need to set up your phone number for contact information, and they will be sending a verification code and even an email. So once everything has been filled out, you can go ahead and click on Submit. Or if you have not filled out everything yet, you can just click on Save as Draft. So once everything has been filled out, and you will be able to see here that in order for you to proceed, there are a few things that you need to do. First here, since we've registered your business, we need to do or add our first product first. So just click on Get Started. That's the second step, add a product. So you can simply look for a product that you can see maybe on the TikTok shop. And then just copy the image and then paste it. And then you can set up the pricing of that product as well. So you just position the image right here. So here with the TikTok shop, there's actually two options, whether you can be a seller wherein you have a physical product with you, or if you want to be a creator or a TikTok shop creator, that actually would allow you to sell products even though you don't have that specific product on hand, but you will gain commission with selling or with gaining customers from buying that product. So it's like an affiliate program here on TikTok. That's the TikTok shop creator. So here, this is just the regular TikTok shop that we will be setting up. And the good thing here, for you to set up a TikTok shop for 2023, there's no need for you to have 1,000 followers so that you'll be able to create or set up your TikTok shop. So once you have the images, you just set up the product name. Okay, and the next thing would be the product description. You actually can have an AI tool to generate the product description for you. You'll be able to see here. When I click on the AI tool, you just simply input the information about what the product is, what's the name of the product, what its purpose, and what are its highlights. What is the main selling point for your product. Then once you click on generate, you'll be able to see here, there's a suggested product description, and then you can just use that, and then you can go ahead and proceed to the next product or the next process, which is setting up the category. You can even set up the product attributes. If there is a brand, you can do so, but that is an option. You can even have a video, but that's optional as well. So here we will be choosing, or we can use either it's a single variation wherein that's the same product, no variations like color, size, or anything. But if you do have multiple variations, you can click on the second option. So you set up the pricing as well. You set the number of stock you have in your inventory. And you can even set up where your location is or the warehouse. That's the seller SKU, but that's optional. You need to set up the parcel weight. This is crucial since this is very important, especially when this product will be delivered to the customers, the service provider or the courier service would need these information correctly so that they will be able to set up how much the charge or the fee would be for the delivery. So I'm just changing a few details, and once you're done, you just click on next. And here you have no products yet, but you can simply click on add product. It may not show here, but later on I will show you where you'll be able to find the product that we have added earlier. So we can go back to the home page since we've already set up the product for our TikTok shop. What we will do here is that I will give you a run through on what are the parts. As you can see, they actually congratulate you for setting up your shop completely. So now that you have completed the 3 steps, registering your seller center account, you're adding a product, and connecting your TikTok shop to your TikTok profile, now you're routed to this page wherein this is where you'll be able to track and manage the products that you are selling. So here you'll be able to see how many orders has been made, how many products you have left, the returns, there are product ratings, you have the finance, shop health, academy, and they even have tasks for you to do. And here, for the daily overview, this is an easy way for you to keep track on how many products have you sold for that specific day. So when you go to your products here, you can simply click on that product and then you can edit if you want to update a few details. See that one product is already live in your account. And just click on submit. So if you want to deactivate that product, you can definitely do so. Just go to products and then click on that product, and there's an option for you to deactivate that product if you already have no stock or if you no longer sell that product. So that's basically it. This is where you basically will be able to see all the tools that you need to manage your product. And you'll be able to see here at their academy, there are a few details or things that you can learn on becoming a successful TikTok seller here with your TikTok shop. So they have the policy center. These are their rules of how you'll be able to sell here on the TikTok shop. So there's a few informations, their policy center, the features. They even have options for you to look into the product sales and how you will be able to set it up. So here you have a growth center wherein there is a few tasks that you can do. And once you complete a specific task, you will receive a reward, whether it's a promotion or a discount that you can offer into your customers. You see, you have a 100% of the product that you will be selling. So there's actually different parts here. So once you have completed and accomplished all of the tasks for the incubation group, you will be able to get rewards once that has been completed. And for each point here, you'll be able to learn different process for becoming a seller here for TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Hope you have learned a lot on how to set up TikTok shop for 2023. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!